What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful, not so beautiful, but rainy Monday here in Georgia, and I'm super excited. I love a new week. I love getting started. I love a new truck coming from out of town. I have a customer here from the lower part of Mississippi, you know, somewhere close to the coast. We had a conversation about it, and he gave me a town, and I'm like, close to Biloxi? He's like, yeah, it's close to Biloxi. So I forgot the town he told me he's exactly from, but it's not too far from it. Anyways, he's up here today for a 2-day install on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. I'm pretty excited about it. You know, I do a lot of Denali's and Denali Ultimates, and this AT4 to me just looks sleek and clean. It is a, I believe it is a silver color. It's raining outside like crazy right now. That's why I'm in the truck. But it's like a gray color. You'll see it here in just a minute, and we'll get, you know, a better feel of what the truck's going to look like. But I'll throw a picture of the truck on the screen that we're replicating a little bit on this one. It was another 2024 GMC 2500 AT4. I know that truck was slate gray metallic, and I don't think this truck is slate gray metallic, so they'll look a little bit different. But anyways, we're doing a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. We're doing 24x14 TIS, 547 gloss black wheels with 37 1350 24 Nitto ridge grappler tires. This truck's going to look amazing. I'm super excited about the video and the build, so stay tuned. I'm going to jump out here in just a second in the rain, and as quick as I can show you the front of this truck, or show you the whole truck, sorry. Show you everything about it, what I like on the front end and stuff like that. So stay tuned for the process, and I appreciate you watching. Here's our truck. It's a 2024. I keep saying 2024. I'm 99% sure it is. I know that on the Denali Ultimates in 25, they started blacking this piece out, but I'm pretty sure that the AT4 has always had that piece blacked out. Let me just make sure, because this is going to bother me now. We have a 2023 production date, so yes, it is a 2024. Right away, I see he has the color match fenders. I love that already. He has the gloss black AT4 wheels. They always really look good with those 37s we use. Today, we're going to be swapping them out, but they look good. The front of this truck is what I'm talking about. I love the way that black and silver goes together on this silver color. I know that this is the, what did we say? This is the Sterling, I don't remember. You guys are going to correct me in the comments anyways, but I know what color it is. I just forget every time. I love the way this truck looks. The rain's kind of helping here with the video quality. To me, looks awesome. I can't wait to get started on it. I'm going to give you some cinematic shots of this truck, and then we're going to get it in the shop. Thank you. So for you guys watching this video, I'm just going to go ahead and say something about it, because it really bothers me when there's things that are not perfect in the videos. And I know that a lot of people watching the video like to say, hey, this isn't right or that isn't right. I get it, whatever. You want to, you know, call me out. The truck that you're about to see is a brand new 2024 Denali Ultimate. The customer has had this truck for 1.5 years. He said he's got some miles on it. You're going to notice some damage on the right front of the bumper. I see it. I know it's there. The customer knows it's there. Somebody backed into him last week, and it's insurance. It's an insurance repair. It's not been scheduled or fixed yet, so you're going to see that in this video. And I was going to try to hide it because we already had the conversation. I was going to try to hide it, and I know that we're going to have to cut more on the passenger side because that bumper is pushed in a lot, so the cut job is going to look bad on that side. So just disclaimer going into this. We knew about the bumper. Thank you. Well, here I am again inside a brand new GMC Sierra 2500. This time it's a AT4 and it's a beautiful silver color, and I think that the lift kit and the tires, everything matches perfect. The wheels, not the tires obviously, but everything matches perfectly. The gloss black accents this truck amazingly. The lift kit, I feel like it goes good with everything that McGaughys lift. You can't beat it. The customer is about to receive a phone call from me saying that his truck's ready for pickup. He is headed back to, I looked up the city that he's from and I forgot it. But anyways, he's headed back to South Mississippi, and I couldn't be more happy with the truck. I hope he loves it. I appreciate him so much for coming and spending money and time up here with us. And, you know, all of you guys that come from out of town, I do appreciate each and every one of you. And I know you didn't have to, so thanks for that. I want you to take a look at this truck. I'm about to get outside of the truck and show you what our final product is. And you let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have any questions, obviously you can call me up here at the shop. I'm Jake. I'm at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180. If you have any questions or you want to get a build started, just give me a call. And thanks for watching. All right, so here's our beautiful 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. Absolutely a beautiful truck. I love the way it sits. I love the colors. I love everything about it. Jumping right into it, we started out on the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit here. It's an amazing lift kit. I love the way the cross member looks in that black and stainless steel finish up there. We're sitting at the 9-inch mark, and that axle angle looks great at 9 inches. That's amazing. This is the basic shock from McGaughys. It's an all black. It looks very, very nice. They do offer an upgraded reservoir shock, but like I said, most of the time this is not needed. This is an upgrade that you see, not really feel as much. These shocks ride amazing. This is the McGaughys upper control arm with the stainless steel overlays here that matches the lift kit really nice. This particular case, we did the black caps right here from McGaughys. You can't really see the indentation very much, but they're there. Covers up your ball joint, covers up the grease and all that. I did that because the black cap matches the black wheel. The wheel is the 24x14 TIS 547B. The tire is a 37-13-50-24 Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is one of the best tires money can buy for a ride, and it's very quiet and it lasts a long time. It's a very, very good tire. I love it. Like I said earlier in the video, this bumper has been beat and banged all up, so we had to cut quite a bit off of it, more so than usual. There's damage there and there on this truck, so we had to cut a significant amount. That's not usually how much we cut on the trucks. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. Oh, actually, hold on. I wanted to let you know we also did amp power steps on this. These are the new amp vision steps. They work exactly the same way as the other amp steps, except for they have this LED thing on the side right here, and it has a remote control where you can actually change the colors. It's about an extra hour or two labor to put those on versus the regular amp steps, but I love it. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number is, again, is 678-994-9180. And thank you guys for watching the channel. I appreciate it.